नमामि शारदां देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं नमस्कारकरस्तु मे प्रसन्नास्तु स सदा. Hello students. Today we are going to start with a new topic of Science 1, heat of 10th standard SSC. We are going to start the part 1. Now heat. Heat is they have given as a separate topic, means it is having a great importance. That's why they put in our syllabus as a separate topic. But heat is one type of energy. And last time we have studied about the energy. Energy is capacity to do work. It is a definition of energy. The energy is capacity to perform the work. Now, there are various forms of energies are there. Correct? One of the energy is, suppose, I can say potential energy. Then we have studied about the kinetic energy. We can study about chemical energy. We have studied electrical energy. Okay? So there are various forms of energies are there. And one of the form of energy is heat. Heat energy. I'll repeat it once again. What is energy? Energy is capacity to do the work. There are various forms of energies are there. So one is potential energy. Potential energy is energy due to the position of the object. Is it right? Kinetic energy is energy possessed by a body due to its speed, velocity. Chemical energy stored inside the chemical. Like petrol is having some energy. When you are burning it, it is converted into what? Heat energy. Then electrical energy, what you are getting at home, and heat energy. So there are many, and we are this energy, the pura world जो exist करता है, that is because of energy. Okay, so but why you are giving much importance to the heat energy? So heat energy is the energy, correct? Have you understood what you think of heat energy? Energy is capacity to perform the work, and there are various forms of energies are there. Okay, I have given some of the various types of energies. Now we are going for the heat energy. Heat energy is the energy where all other form of energy can easily convert into heat energy. Once again, there are other forms of energy are there. May be possible. See the limitation of potential energy. Potential energy, the body is having potential energy, but it cannot perform the work directly. So for that, it has to convert into what? Kinetic energy. For example, a fan is there. Yeah, any object, fan is there at a particular place. So due to the height, it possesses what? Potential energy. But it fall down from there. It will start moving. Means first it convert kinetic energy. उसके बाद वो strike करेगा, काम करेगा. So potential energy first has to convert into what? Kinetic energy, तभी वो perform काम करेगा. Is it right? So like that, heat energy is the one form of energy. The all other form of energy can be easily converted into what? Heat energy. For example, I tell you, if I am taking a bullet, I place in a gun, and if I fired, the bullet start moving, and it possesses which type of energy? Kinetic energy. But when we strike the target, if you touch that part, you find that it is become hot. Why? Because potential energy can easily convert into what? Heat energy. Suppose a person is hammering any object, जब वो हैमरिंग करेगा, if it does that part, you'll find that it is become hot because that kinetic energy is easily converted to what? Heat energy. So या फिर short circuit takes place. Actually electrical energy is passing through it, but कभी short circuit हो गया तो क्या होता है? वहां से heat निकलती है. So all other, the heat is the form of energy. That it is that energy, and all other form of energy can be easily converted into what? Heat energy. That is the reason we are going to study heat energy as a separate topic. So, have you understood what is heat energy? Heat energy, as if you see the definition of heat energy is a type of form of energy. All other form of energy can easily convert into what? Heat energy. Have you understood this? Got it? So I will repeat. Energy is a capacity to perform the work. There are various forms of energies are there, and all other form of energy can be easily converted into what? Heat energy. That's why we are going to study the heat energy in detail. So see the definition once again. Heat is the form of energy. Heat is a form of energy can be obtained easily by easily transforming any other form of energy. Is it right? I told you that any other form of energy can easily convert to what? Heat energy. So what is the definition of heat energy? Heat, or definition of heat. Heat is the form of energy can be obtained by easily transforming any other form of energy. Got it now? Now we are going in the heat. Main concept is temperature. Temperature में क्या होगा? Temperature is there. Suppose if I touch ice, I feel it cold. But if I am touching the tea, या hot tea, या boiling water, we find it is hot. So temperature is a degree of hotness of the body. Degree of hotness of the body. We'll come to know that it is hot or cold. So temperature is the degree of hotness of the body, either that the body is cold or hot, or one body is less hot as compared to other hot. Means like that, temperature is the degree of hotness of the body, and this temperature is measured with help of equipment called as what? Thermometer. Thermometer is the equipment which gives the idea about the body is cold or hot. So what is the temperature? Temperature is the degree of hotness of the body, and this temperature is measured by an equipment called as what? Thermometer. Okay. Now in this there are two more concepts are coming. That is, one important concept is melting point, and other important concept is boiling point. Acha, what is meaning of melting point? Usually a pure solid is there. There are three states of solids are there. A solid or three states are there na, of a substance. One is a solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. So melting point is for solid substance and boiling point is for liquid. For a solid, if I am taking a solid in a, if I am taking this type of solid and I am going to heat it continuously, a temperature comes when then you have to check with help of thermometer, suppose, see, and you are going to heat it. We'll come to know that at a particular temperature, this is not a way to measure the temperature, just I am showing it. अगर मैंने ये hot substance को गर्म किया, then there is one equipment, हम लोग उसको अलग एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज करते हैं, प्रैक्टिकली करते वक्त अलग तरीके से करते हैं, find out the melting point. So, but if I'm just considering that it is a solid, और मैं गर्म कर रहा हूँ, at a particular temperature, this solid melt and convert into one liquid. See, you take the example of ice. Ice, It may be ice is at, if I am taking at minus 10 degree Celsius और मैंने 10 degree Celsius की हीट प्लेस किया, गर्म कर रहा हूँ, temperature will rise, and when the temperature come to 0 degree Celsius, at that particular temperature, it melt and convert to what? Ice, water. So that 0 degree Celsius at which solid get converted into what? Liquid is called as what? Boil, melting point. So I will define melting point. Point मतलब होता है temperature. Temperature is the melting point. Melting point is the temperature at which solid convert into liquid is called as what? Melting point. Is it right? Now, if I am taking boiling point, in a boiling point, suppose I am taking a water and I am going to continuously heat it. And इसके अंदर मैंने थर्मामीटर प्लेस किया सपोज, ये भी कोई तरीका नहीं है, जस्ट आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग इट. उसके लिए इक्विपमेंट यूज करते हुए आई कैन दैट वी आर गेटिंग एग्जैक्ट बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. एंड इसके आगे क्या रहेगा? गैस. इज इट राइट? इफ आई एम हीटिंग सपोज वाटर इन नाउ, अभी वाटर 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस में कन्वर्ट किसमें हो गया? वाटर में कन्वर्ट हो गया. आइस इज कन्वर्टेड व्हाट? वाटर. आई एम नाउ गोइंग टू हीट इट. द टेंपरेचर विल rise. When it reaches at 100 degree Celsius, correct? 100 degree Celsius पे क्या होगा? The water start boiling और टेम्परेचर बढ़ेगा नहीं. So इस टेम्परेचर को हम लोग बोलते हैं boiling point. So I will define a point मतलब temperature. Temperature, a constant temperature at which liquid come to what? Gaseous state is called as what? Boiling point. Have you understood this? We have studied 4 things. First thing is energy. Energy is a capacity to do work. Then we have studied about the heat. Heat is a form of energy, can be obtained easily transforming any other form of energy. That is a definition given in a textbook. And temperature. Temperature is the degree of hotness of the body. And degree of hotness of the body is measured with help of equipment called as what? Thermometer. And then we have these 2 concepts are very important. That is the first one is melting point. Melting point होता है solid के लिए. तो melting point of a solid is defined as the temperature at which solid is converted into what? Liquid. That particular temperature is called as what? Melting point. That we are going to measure with help of thermometer only. Once again, melting point is the temperature. Point मतलब होता है temperature. Temperature at which the solid get into what? Liquid is called as what? Melting point. And boiling point is होता है liquids के लिए. The constant temperature at which liquid come into what? Gaseous state. That constant temperature is called as what? Boiling point. Now all these things we have prepared in form of what? Slides. So इसके बाद हम लोग स्लाइड्स के लिए चलते हैं and we'll come back for this board के लिए वापस आ जाएंगे. Okay? Now see the definition of heat. Heat is a form of energy and heat can be obtained easily transforming any other form of energy. So the definition, I told you that heat can be easily obtained from changing other form of energy can be easily converted to what? Heat energy. So what is the definition? Heat is a form of energy and heat energy can be obtained easily transforming any other form of energy. So you have to pause this video and copy down this definition. Okay? And heat energy is very important. That's why they have kept the topic of as a heat. So we have to be very careful while studying it. Heat is a form of energy and heat energy can be obtained by transforming any other form of energy. So this you have to write it properly because this definition is given in a textbook. So I'll repeat. Heat is a form of energy and heat energy can be obtained by easily transforming any other form of energy. So what is the temperature? Temperature is not any quantity. It is actually a temperature is a degree of hotness of the body. We can judge that a temperature, the body is cold or hot. There is a comparison. So they have given that temperature is a degree of hotness of the body. What is the definition of temperature? Temperature is a degree of hotness of the body, and this temperature is measured with help of equipment called as what? Thermometer. So thermometer used to measure the temperature of the body, and we keep the thermometer and we measure that how much degree Celsius is there. It is shown by what? Thermometer. This is the figure they have shown the thermometer. Okay, this is a very simple thermometer. It is shown in which what red part we see, it is actually a mercury, and mercury is kept in a vacuum tube, and when you are heating या hotness आया तो mercury expand होता है. So with help of that property they are keeping the, suppose normal thermometer बनाना है तो what they do, they keep the thermometer in a ice. तो आइस में रखने के बाद वो जीरो कितना दिखाएगा? 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस दिखाएगा, एंड दैट इज केप्ट इन अ बॉइलिंग वाटर, तो रहेगा 100. सो दे मार्क अ लोअर पार्ट एज अ 0, अपर पार्ट इज 100, एंड then they divide that length into 100 parts. Lower part is given as 0, upper part is 100, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, like that, and we will able to measure the exact temperature in degrees Celsius. Okay, got it now? So this is the simple, it is a thermometer. Now it is a melting point of a solid. Point means what? Temperature, right? So the constant temperature at which substance changes from solid state to liquid state is called as what? Melting point of a solid. Okay, so that is done by what? Heating a substance, and with help of thermometer we can easily find out what? Melting point of a substance, and melting point is again a basic property of that particular solid. So we can check that a substance is pure or non-pure by melting point. So once again I will repeat it. Melting point of a solid is the constant temperature at which substance changes from solid state to liquid state is called as what? Melting point of a solid. Please copy down this definition properly. This concept of melting point is very important, and melting point, we are taking any pure solid, तो pure solid having a strong melt bonds रहते हैं उसके अंदर, and when you're heating it, that bonds break at a particular temperature, and that substance changes from solid state to liquid. Bonds जब weak हो जाएंगे at a time break हो जाएंगे, it is called what? Liquid state. So the definition is what? The constant temperature at which substance changes solid state to liquid state is called as what? Melting point of a solid. I'll repeat. The constant temperature at which substance changes from solid state to liquid state is called as what? Melting point of a solid. This definition is given in a textbook. Word to word वैसे लिखना है. The constant temperature at which substance changes from solid state to liquid state is called a melting point. You have to pause this video and copy down it properly, the definition of what? Melting point of a solid. Now again, one more important concept for the heat, that is the boiling point of a liquid. Liquid is there, so liquid को हम लोग जब heat करते हैं, again some bonds break, and that changes from liquid state to gaseous state. But that also took place at a very constant temperature. That's why definition of boiling point is the constant temperature at which substance changes from liquid state to gaseous state is called as what? Boiling point of a liquid. Once again, the constant temperature at which substance changes from liquid state to gaseous state is called as what? Boiling point of a liquid. You have to pause the video and copy down. Okay, this is again very important definition. So students, now we are going for the very important part of heat topic, that is latent heat. अभी latent heat ये जो concept है वो तुम्हें अच्छी तरह समझना है, बहुत अच्छी तरह समझना है. It's very important thing, very interesting, fantastic thing. See, latent heat में क्या होता है? See, they will take the example of water. अब इस बीकर में मैंने आइस के कुछ ब्लॉक्स लिया, पीसेस ऑफ आइस लिया. Okay, and if I put a thermometer I found that its temperature is 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस, बिकॉज आइस का टेम्परेचर कितना रहता है 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस होता है, ठीक है। एंड देन ये जो थर्मामीटर है उसको हमने with help of LPG gas we started heating thermometer रख के हमने उसको ऑब्जर्व करें कि what is happening। अब उसका जो ऑब्जर्वेशन है ये हम लोग इस ग्राफ में ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं। ऑन एक्स एक्सिस वी आर गोइंग टू टेक टाइम इन मिनट्स और इस पे हम लोग मेजर करेंगे टेम्परेचर कितना बढ़ रहा है। सो आई स्टार्ट हिटिंग इट, तभी टाइम रहेगा 0 और टेम्परेचर भी 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस ही है। फिर देखा अरे कुछ हो रहा है क्या, 2 मिनट हो गए तो इसका टेम्परेचर तो बढ़ ही नहीं रहा है, 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस ही है। फिर 4 मिनट या 6 मिनट तक मालूम पड़ा कि टेम्परेचर का कुछ चेंजेस नहीं हुआ है। बट आफ्टर 8 minutes I found that it is 5 डिग्री सेल्सियस, 10 डिग्री सेल्सियस और ये टेम्परेचर बढ़ते जा रहा है। जैसे मैं 2-2 मिनट्स के बाद दे रहा हूं तब मैं ये वैल्यूज इस तरह से प्लेस करते जा रहा हूं, तब मालूम पड़ा कि इसका टाइम टेम्परेचर बढ़ते बढ़ते जैसे टाइम बढ़ रहा है वैसे टेम्परेचर भी बढ़ रहा है। वी आर गेटिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ। फिर उसके बाद देखा तो एक 20 मिनट्स के आसपास, ओके, नॉट आई एम नॉट टेकिंग इतने मिनट्स के बाद ही, बट फॉर मी 20 मिनट्स के बाद मालूम पड़ा कि टेम्परेचर राइजेस अप टू 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस। उसके बाद मैं वापस कंटिन्यू कर रहा तो भी टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट है। वापस एक बार देखते हैं, आइस लिया, उसका टेम्परेचर कितना है 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस, मैंने हीटिंग करने के लिए लगा दिया और हीटिंग करने लगाते वक्त मैंने अपना स्टॉप क्लॉक चालू कर दिया। तो 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे 0 मिनट था। फिर मैं टाइम देख रहा हूं, 2 मिनट्स के बाद टेम्परेचर देखा तो 0 भी चल रहा है, 4 मिनट्स के बाद देखा तो भी 0 लग रहा है। अब 6 सेकेंड्स में थोड़ा टेम्परेचर बढ़ गया, 1 या 2 डिग्री सेल्सियस हो गया। फिर देखा तो और टेम्परेचर बढ़ रहा है और टेम्परेचर बढ़ रहा है और अराउंड 20 सेकेंड मिनट्स के आसपास इट रीचेस टू 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस और 100 के बाद वापस सेम हो रहा है। तो मैंने इसको ग्राफ में कन्वर्ट कर दिया और उसका ज्वाइन किया तो यहां से यहां तक और ये ज्वाइन कर लिया। फिर मालूम पड़ा कि ये ओके। अब यहां क्या क्या हो गया मैं बताता हूं तुम्हें। मैं कंटिन्यूअसली हीट सप्लाई कर रहा था फ्रॉम टाइम 0 मिनट से लेके 6 मिनट तक तो मैंने हीट सप्लाई किया, तब टेम्परेचर बिल्कुल ही नहीं बढ़ा। फिर 4 सेकेंड्स के बाद 4 मिनट्स के बाद ये कंटिन्यूअसली हीट सप्लाई करते वक्त टेम्परेचर राइज हो रहा है। नो प्रॉब्लम, वट एवर हीट वी हैव सप्लाइड इट राइजेस द टेम्परेचर, ओके। बट once the temperature reaches to 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस उसके बाद वो कांस्टेंट है। तो इसका मतलब ये है कि ये जो 0 मिनट से लेके 6 मिनट्स तक जब हमने हीट सप्लाई किया था तब टेम्परेचर 0 था। वो हीट जो मैंने सप्लाई वो गया किधर, बिकॉज इट वाज राइजिंग, हियर द टेम्परेचर इज राइज्ड बट हियर द टेम्परेचर वाज नॉट राइजिंग। तो ये जो गैप था वो हीट गया किधर, जो मैं कंटिन्यूसली सप्लाई करना चाहिए किया तो तभी 0 का 1 2 3 होना चाहिए था, लेकिन टेम्परेचर बढ़ा नहीं। सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ यू कीप इन माइंड where this heat had gone. So when you study in detail, we'll come to know that that time the state was changing from solid to liquid. तो जो अपने आइस क्यूब्स थे वो वाटर में कन्वर्ट हो रहे थे, तभी टेम्परेचर 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस था। And whatever heat we have supplied, it is utilized to change the state. Means solid to convert liquid में convert करने के लिए वो heat का utilize हो रहा था, and that heat whatever we have supplied is called as latent heat. क्या बोलते हैं उसको हम लोग? Latent heat. And again now it is start rising, it is converted to liquid. उसके बाद कोई state change नहीं हो रहा है। कहां तक आया वो? 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक आया और 100 पे वापस चेंज हो रहा है। एंड 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस वाज द मेल्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ आइस and here it is boiling point of ice of water. तो उस वक्त वापस स्टेट चेंज हो रहा है, इसका मतलब जब तक पूरा पानी किसमें कन्वर्ट होता है, वेपर्स में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, तभी भी टेम्परेचर नहीं बढ़ेगा. तो दिस इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज लेटेंट हीट. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस? सो वी गॉट टू थिंग्स. वापस एक बार ये कॉन्सेप्ट को समझ लो. I have taken the ice in the beaker and took the temperature. It is 0 degree Celsius. I started heating. हीट करते वक्त 0 मिनट से लेके 6 मिनट्स तक या 4 मिनट्स तक मैंने हीट तो सप्लाई किया, बट टेम्परेचर बढ़ा नहीं. तो वो ड्यूरेशन में हीट गया किधर? तो दैट व्हाट यूटिलाइज टू चेंज द स्टेट फ्रॉम सॉलिड टू लिक्विड. That is called as latent heat. But once the entire ice turned to water, it start rising the temperature. It reaches to 100. 100 के बाद बढ़ेगा नहीं, because 100 is the boiling point of water. And that time, whatever heat we have supplied is utilized to change the state from liquid state to gaseous state, and that is called as what? Latent heat. But यहाँ ये स्टेट चेंज हुआ, सॉलिड टू लिक्विड, इसको बोलते हैं हम लोग लेटेंट हीट ऑफ फ्यूजन. क्या बोलते हैं उसको हम लोग? लेटेंट हीट ऑफ फ्यूजन. और यहां वर्ड यूज किया जाता है लेटेंट हीट ऑफ वेपोराइजेशन. सो what is the latent heat of vaporization? So whatever amount we have supplied, amount of heat supplied to a given mass of substance to change from solid state to liquid state, वो जो heat utilize हो गया किसके लिए? Given mass of a substance to change from solid state to liquid state. मैंने 10 ग्राम आइस लिया और 100 ग्राम आइस लिया, उसमें फर्क पड़ेगा. Correct? So given mass of whatever heat we have supplied is called as latent heat of fusion. वापस एक बार, the heat supplied to the given mass of a solid to change from solid state to liquid phase, and that took place at melting point is called as what? Latent heat of fusion. And amount of heat supplied for a liquid, given mass of a liquid to change from liquid state to gaseous state at the boiling point is called as what? Latent heat of vaporization. तो वापस एक बार, अभी हम लोगों ने क्या क्या स्टडी किया? Latent heat of fusion, that is the first thing. Then we have studied latent heat of vaporization. अब वापस देखते हैं. मैं तुम्हें बोला था कि वाटर का मेल्टिंग पॉइंट 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस है, और कोई सॉलिड का मेल्टिंग पॉइंट अलग रहता है, बट वो फिक्स रहता है, बिकॉज वो प्रॉपर्टी वो पर्टिकुलर सब्सटेंस के रहती है. सो water has the ice has a melting point at 0 degree Celsius to convert from ice to water, and that is the property of ice. ओके, और वाटर का प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? उसका जो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट है वो 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस, व्हाइल बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इज हाउ मच? 100 डिग्री. तो हर एक सब्सटेंस का अपना एक फिक्स मेल्टिंग और फिक्स बॉइलिंग पॉइंट रहता है. इज इट राइट? सो दैट इज अ प्रॉपर्टी. वैसा ही ये हो गया लेटेंट हीट ऑफ फ्यूजन और लेटेंट हीट ऑफ वेपोराइजेशन. अब आएगा स्पेसिफिक लेटेंट हीट. अब स्पेसिफिक लेटेंट हीट मतलब एक पर्टिकुलर सब्सटेंस के लिए उसकी एक स्पेसिफिक हीट कैपेसिटी, हीट लेटेंट है. स्पेसिफिक लेटेंट हीट अलग रहेगा, और लेटेंट हीट ऑफ फ्यूजन भी रहेगा, स्पेसिफिक लेटेंट हीट ऑफ वेपोराइजेशन भी रहेगा. इन दैट केस व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू टेक? यू आर गोइंग टू टेक 1 gram ऑफ वाटर या 1 kg ऑफ वाटर एंड यू आर गोइंग टू सप्लाई द हीट. तभी वो स्पेसिफिक अमाउंट ही लेगा टू चेंज फ्रॉम व्हाट? सॉलिड स्टेट टू लिक्विड स्टेट. दैट इज कॉल्ड स्पेसिफिक लेटेंट हीट. और यहां होगा स्पेसिफिक लेटेंट हीट ऑफ वेपोराइजेशन भी रहेगा. Okay, that we study with help of what? Slides now. अभी इतना तो मुझे लगता है समझ में आया। हम लोग उसका ये अपना स्लाइड्स का यूज करके ये कंटिन्यू करते हैं। Okay, students, now see the figure. In first beaker, we are having ice, thermometer is there, and it is at lower fixed point, that is actually 0 degrees Celsius, right? It is. So we'll see that the temperature of the thermometer in a beaker containing ice is 0 degrees Celsius. Then we will start heating it. As we start heating it, we'll start your stop clock also, and we'll see that what is the happening or what are the changes occur, and we have to see the thermometer which is given over there. तो आप लोगों को 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे क्लॉक को दिस स्टॉप क्लॉक यू हैव टू स्टार्ट एंड start hitting it same point same time, and we'll see the we'll observe after 2 minutes what is happening, after 4 minutes what is happening, what is the happening after 6 minutes. So we have to take the temperature. तो 2 मिनट्स के बाद भी टेम्परेचर वॉज 0 जबकि हम लोग हीट कर रहे हैं, 4 मिनट्स के बाद भी 0, एंड इट इज स्लाइट चेंज एट 6 मिनट्स के बाद थोड़ा सा चेंजेस आने लग गया था. And after 6 minutes, we found that what entire ice is converted to water, and then it started changing the temperature. Temperature rise होते गया, rise होते गया, rise होते गया. It will rise up to what 100 degrees Celsius. जबकि अपना टाइम चल रहा था, हर बार टाइम चेंज होते आ रहा था. Is it right? Time changes from. Is it time changes हो रहे? We'll come to know that what temperature rises. Is it right? But once it reaches to 100 degrees Celsius, हम लोग तो कंटिन्यूसली हीट कर रहे हैं, बट टेम्परेचर इन द थर्मामीटर इज नॉट राइजिंग. सो दिस इज द ऑब्जर्वेशन विल सी, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू मेक अ ग्राफ ऑफ इट, एंड this is the way we are going to perform the experiment for what latent heat of latent heat. Is it right? So from for first 6 minutes what had happened, जब हम लोग हीट सप्लाई कर रहे थे, that was utilized to change the state of ice to water, that is solid state to liquid state, and at 100 degrees Celsius it was again changed, the whatever heat was supplied, that was utilized to change the state from liquid state to gaseous state, and this is the way you have to perform the heat the experiment in your laboratory. Have you understood the figure of in textbook? They have explained you how to perform the experiment to latent heat. Takes few pieces of ice in a beaker as shown in the figure. Insert the bulb of the thermometer. Bulb of the thermometer, that is the lower part of thermometer which contain what? Mercury. जो mercury का lower part रहता है, that is called as bulb. You should place in what? Ice and measure the temperature. That time I think it should show what? 0 degrees Celsius. Put the beaker on the stand and heat using burner. Correct it is. Record the temperature using thermometer after every minute. As the ice is heated, it start melting. Stir the mixture with, because as the water is a bad conductor of heat, that you might be knowing, आपको बता नहीं रहेगा, हम लोग को स्टर करना जरूरी है. You have to stir it, हिलाना पड़ेगा पूरा आइस को. Stir the ice and water. Confirm the heating after even ice is start melting, and draw the graph of temperature versus time, and you will observe the temperature of the mixture. Is it right? These points are given in textbook. You have also, if they ask how to perform the experiment for the latent heat, then these points you have to write. Okay. Now, what is the observation for this experiment? Because you are going to write how to perform the experiment, that you have to write observation. हमें क्या ऑब्जर्व हुआ था? You will observe that the temperature of the mixture remained 0 degrees Celsius till the entire ice melt completely. तब तक वो टेम्परेचर कितना रहा था? 0 degrees Celsius for 4 minutes, 5 minutes तक वैसा ही चलेगा. If you continue heating, even after conversion of all ice into water, temperature start rising. उसके बाद temperature rise होता है, and it will rise up to 100 degrees Celsius. So second point is, if you continue heating even after the conversion of ice into water, the temperature of the water start rising and reaches to 100 degrees Celsius. And third point, at this temperature, water start converting to steam, means vapors. the temperature of the water remain constant at 0 degrees Celsius, still entire water converted towards steam. So if you see the graph, this graph is important. They may ask the graph of temperature versus time for the latent heat. Then you are going to draw this graph and you have to write. देखो, on x-axis you are going to write time in minutes, on y-axis you are going to write temperature in degree Celsius. पहला टाइम भी जीरो है और टेम्परेचर भी जीरो है, और वहां पे 10 डिग्री 20 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस दिया है. अप टू 4 के 2 मिनट्स तक या 4 मिनट्स तक वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू राइज द टेम्परेचर, एंड उसके बाद इट इज चेंजेस. ऊपर लिखा है वाटर, नीचे लिखा है लिक्विड, and at 100 degrees it again remain constant from point C to D. A to B it remain constant, B to C it is increases, and C to D again remain constant. Okay, from A to B, whatever heat we have supplied, that is utilized to change the state from ice, that is solid, to water, that is liquid state. From B to C, once the entire ice is converted to water at point B, B to लेके C तक की liquid state temperature will rise, that is utilized to rise the temperature of water. But again at 100 degrees Celsius, that is point C, it will not rise because from C to D the temperature will remain constant. That is a change in the state from liquid state to gaseous state. ये पूरा डायग्राफ समझ लो और एक बार ड्रॉ करना है. So students, whatever even practical was there, उसके बाद ये observation and graph you are going to write once. That is a way to study the mathematics. ये जो एक्सपेरिमेंट हम लोग जो परफॉर्म करेंगे नेक्स्ट ईयर आफ्टर 10 के बाद, ये सब चीज़ें हमारे लिए कॉमन हो जाएगी. लेकिन अभी सीखना है कि हाउ टू परफॉर्म द एक्सपेरिमेंट, उससे हमें कंक्लूजन क्या निकालना है. तो पहला हमने प्रैक्टिकल हाउ टू परफॉर्म द एक्सपेरिमेंट देखा, वो तुम्हें लिखना है, ऑब्जर्वेशन लिखना है, एंड टाइम वर्सेस ग्राफ का भी ग्राफ तुम्हें पेज पे ड्रॉ करके लेना है. ओके, देन विल सी द कंक्लूजन ऑफ इट. ओके, now this is the observation, we can put as an observation. In the graph, AB represent what? Conversion of ice into water at constant temperature, and when the ice is heated it melt at 0 degrees Celsius and convert into hot water at this constant temperature. The ice absorb the heat during the transition, and absorption of heat continue till the entire ice, whatever is present in a beaker, is called what? Water. The temperature remain constant during this transaction. This constant temperature at which the ice converted into water is called as melting point, that we have studied. The temperature at which the solid changes to liquid is called as what? Melting point. During this transition of a liquid phase to solid state phase to liquid, the object absorb the heat, but its temperature do not change. This heat is utilized for weakening the bond, because bond solid state में strong होते हैं. जब लोग हीट करते हैं वो बॉन्ड वीक हो जाते हैं, एंड दैट टाइम इट कन्वर्ट फ्रॉम सॉलिड स्टेट टू लिक्विड स्टेट बिटवीन द एटम्स एंड मॉलिक्यूल इनटू व्हाट? सॉलिड. दिस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इनटू व्हाट? लिक्विड फेज. The heat absorbed at a constant temperature during the transformation of solid into liquid is called as what? Latent heat of fusion. This is the temperature. This is the definition for what? Latent heat of fusion. What is that? The heat energy absorbed at a constant temperature during the transformation of solid into liquid is called as what? Latent heat of fusion. Once all the ice is transmitted into water, the temperature of the water start rising and rises up to 100 degrees Celsius. The line BC in the graph represent what? Rise in temperature of water from 0 degrees Celsius to 100 डिग्री. यहाँ थोड़ा सा अपना प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक हुआ है, वो तुम लोग चेंज कर देना. 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस है वो. Thereafter, even the latent heat is supplied to the water, its temperature does not rise, and the heat energy absorbed by the water at that temperature utilized to use the weaker bond again in a molecule of liquid. weaker bond होते हैं वो पूरे की पूरे ब्रेक होके किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएंगे? गैसेस स्टेट में कन्वर्ट. ड्यूरिंग दिस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन लिक्विड फेज टू गैसियस फेज, heat absorbed by the liquid, but the temperature does not change. The constant temperature at which the liquid ट्रांसफर इनटू गैसेस स्टेट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. दैट बॉइलिंग पॉइंट का डेफिनेशन हमने स्टडी किया था, राइट? इट इज द कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर एट विच the substance changes from what liquid state to gaseous state is called as what? Boiling point. And the heat energy absorbed at a constant temperature during the transformation of liquid into gases is called as what? Latent heat of vaporization. Okay. See, we had studied the latent heat of fusion. Now this is called as what? Latent heat of vaporization. What is latent heat of vaporization? That heat energy absorbed at a constant temperature during the transformation of liquid into gaseous state is called as what? Latent heat of vaporization. These points we are going to write for the observation of experiment performed for what? Latent heat of latent heat. तो हमने दो टाइप की latent heat देखे. First is latent heat of fusion, and now we have studied the definition of what? Latent heat of vaporization. Again we are going to revise that in next statement, next slide. Now see the definition of latent heat of fusion. तो ये definition अगर आ गया define करके, तो what you are going to write? The heat energy absorbed at a constant temperature during the transformation of solid into liquid is called as what? Latent heat of fusion. Once again, the heat energy absorbed at a constant temperature during the transformation of solid into liquid is called as latent heat of fusion. But I told you that when you are using a specific, because मैंने 10 ग्राम लिया और 100 ग्राम लिया, उसमें लेटेंट हीट अलग अलग रहेगा. बट वेन यू आर टेकिंग अ सपोज 1 ग्राम ऑफ आइस, तो 1 ग्राम आइस के लिए सब जगह पे उतनी हीट लगेगी. दैट इज एक्चुअली द बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर सब सॉलिड. तो उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं स्पेसिफिक लेटेंट हीट. Means the amount of heat absorbed at a constant temperature by unit mass. Unit mass का मतलब हो जाए 1 ग्राम या 1 kg, इस तरह से रहता है. Unit mass of a solid to convert into liquid phase is called as specific latent heat. That time we are going to take a specific amount, that is 1 gram या 1 kg, that is called as unit mass. Okay, तो वापस एक बार, specific heat of fusion, the amount of heat energy absorbed at a constant temperature by unit mass of a solid to convert into liquid phase is called as what? Specific latent heat of fusion. So there are two definitions. Latent heat of fusion is what? Amount of heat energy absorbed by unit at the constant temperature during the transformation of solid into liquid is called as what? Latent heat. बट स्पेसिफिकली क्या करना पड़ेगा? अमाउंट ऑफ हीट एनर्जी एब्सॉर्ब एट अ कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर बाय यूनिट मास ऑफ अ सॉलिड टू कन्वर्ट इनटू व्हाट? लिक्विड फेज इज कॉल्ड एज स्पेसिफिक लेटेंट हीट ऑफ फ्यूजन. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज लेटेंट हीट ऑफ वेपराइज. जब बॉइलिंग पॉइंट पे पहुंच जाता है लिक्विड का, उसके बाद हम लोग हीट सप्लाई करते तो भी हीट बढ़ता नहीं है, राइट? इट इज दैट इज हीट इज यूटिलाइज टू चेंज द स्टेट from liquid state to gaseous state is called as what? Latent heat of vaporization. So what is the definition of latent heat of vaporization? The heat energy absorbed at a constant temperature during the transformation of liquid into gas is called as what? Latent heat of vaporization. But that can be for any amount. So heat energy absorbed at a constant temperature during the transformation of liquid into gas is called as latent heat of vaporization. बस specific बोला तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? We are going to take 1 gram of liquid or 10 gram of liquid and we are going to heat it. So amount of heat energy absorbed at a constant temperature by unit mass of a liquid to convert into what? Gaseous phase is called as what? Specific latent heat of vaporization. That is for specific heat of vaporization. So students, whatever we have studied definition, like heat, then temperature, then we have studied melting point, boiling point, is it right? Then we have studied latent heat क्या होता है, latent heat of vaporization क्या है, latent of fusion क्या है, specific heat of latent क्या है, and specific latent heat of vaporization क्या है, that we have studied in detail. तो वो definitions please a video मतलब एक बार rewind करो and you write the pause the video and write it properly. And I think whatever experiment we have performed, that is important. You try to understand each and everything properly, and this many important things are we are going to copy down. Okay, so today we are going to stop this first part of heat. I think you understood it properly, but important points you have to copy down it. Okay, thank you student. We'll
First part
continue the
was
chapter in the next
fantastic.
part.
We have learned कुछ नई चीजें about the heat we have studied and remaining part of the topic is fantastic. हम लोग करेंगे but it is now end of the first part. तो स्टूडेंट्स अभी जितने भी डेफिनेशन हमने किए हुए एक बार रिवाइंड कर लो, वापस स्टडी करो और लिख के ले लो, तो इट विल बी हेल्प यू फॉर यू. ओके, तो थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, विल कंटिन्यू इन नेक्स्ट पार्ट.